Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices concept. Okay, now explain triangular matrix. What is a triangular matrix? In a square matrix, if each element above or below the principal diagonal is 0. Okay, these are two types. One is lower triangular matrix, second one is lower triangular matrix, second one is upper triangular matrix. Okay, in this lower triangular matrix, this is the lower triangular matrix. In this lower triangular matrix, above principal diagonal elements are zeros. Okay, this is the lower triangular matrix. Above principal diagonal elements are zeros. In upper triangular matrix, this is upper triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix, below the principal diagonal elements are zeros. Okay, in lower triangular matrix, above principal diagonal elements are zeros. In upper triangular matrix, below the principal diagonal elements are zeros. So what is the definition? In a square matrix, if each element above or below principal diagonal elements are zeros, so then it is called triangular matrix. Okay, triangular matrices are two types. One is lower triangular matrix, second one is upper triangular matrix. Okay, now I explained lower triangular matrix. What is the lower triangular matrix? If all elements above the leading elements are zeros. Okay, I give one example. 1 2 3 0 0 0 4 5 6. Okay, 1 0 0 2 4 0 3 5 6. This is a lower triangular matrix. This is a triangle. This is lower triangular matrix. In this place is what is one? First row, first column element. This is first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay, this 0 place is second row, third column. So in this A12 equal to A13 equal to A23 equal to 0. A12, A13, A23 zeros. So A12 means I1 less than 2. This is 1 less than 3. 2 less than 3. What is the definition? If Aij equal to 0 when I less than j. When I less than j. So Aij equal to 0 when I less than j, then this matrix is called lower triangular matrix. So what is the upper triangular matrix? If all elements below the leading elements are zeros. I give one example. This is the upper triangular matrix. Okay, this is the upper triangular matrix. In this upper triangular matrix, so what is this place? This is the second row, first column, third row, first column, third row, second column. So A21, A31, A32. In this A21 equal to A31 equal to A32 equal to 0. Okay, let us observe in this 2 greater than 1, in this 3 greater than 1, 3 greater than 2. Okay, so if Aij equal to 0 when I greater than j. If aij equals 0, when I greater. Okay, now explain strictly triangular matrix. What is a strictly triangular matrix? In a square matrix, if all principal diagonal elements are zeros, all principal diagonal elements are zeros, like so this is called strictly triangular matrix. If all principal diagonal elements are zeros, then it is called strictly triangular matrix. Okay, now explain comparable matrices. So what is comparable matrices? Two matrices are said to be comparable matrices if their orders are same. Two matrices are said to be comparable matrices if their orders are same. Okay, if their orders are same, I give one example. A equal to 1 2 3 4. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. B is equal to A B C D. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. So the A and B are called comparable matrices. Therefore AB having same order, so A comma B are comparable matrices. Okay, now explain submatrix. What is submatrix? Any matrix obtained by eliminating some rows and columns from a given matrix A, then it is called submatrix. Okay, then it is called a submatrix. I give one example. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the given matrix. Okay, what is a submatrix? Any matrix are obtained by eliminating some rows and columns. Okay, let us eliminate first row and first column. Let us take B is equal to 5 6 8 9. B is equal to 5 6 8 9. This is the submatrix of given matrix. So by eliminating some rows and columns from a given matrix, then it is called submatrix of given matrix, where B is the submatrix of A. Okay, now by eliminating second row and third column, so 1 2 7 8. So let us take C is equal to 1 2 7 8. This is also one of the submatrix of given matrix. Okay. Okay, now explain trace of square matrix. The sum of principal diagonal elements of square matrix. The sum of principal diagonal elements of a square matrix is called trace of matrix. Is called as TRACE, trace, or SPUR, spur of matrix. Okay, trace or spur of matrix. I give one example. A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is 3 by 3 matrix. This is a square matrix. So trace of A. So trace of A is defined by the sum of principal diagonal elements. Okay, in this sum of principal diagonal elements are 1 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, this is called trace of given matrix. A having A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now trace of A. Trace of A defined by A11 plus A22 plus A3. This is called trace of matrix. Okay, now explain properties of trace matrix. Properties of trace of matrix. First one, trace of A plus B equal to trace A plus trace B. Okay. Second one, trace of A minus B. It will be trace A minus trace B. Okay, trace of AB. Trace of AB equal to trace of BA. Okay, trace of A is equal to trace of A transpose. Okay, trace of K into A is equal to K times of trace A. Next, trace of AB is always not equal to trace A into trace B. Okay, very important properties. Okay, now explain equality of matrices. Okay, so what is equality of matrices? A and B are two matrices are said to be equal matrices if, first point, AB are of the same order and second point, corresponding elements of A and B are same or equal. Okay, I give one example. A having A, B, C, D elements, B having 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if A is equal to B, where A and B having same order, so both are 2 by 2 matrices. If A is equal to B, so what is the point? Second point, corresponding elements of A and B are equal. Corresponding elements of A or B are equal. Their corresponding elements, A is equal to 7, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 9, and D is equal to 10. Okay, this is concept for equal matrices. Thank you for watching. Remaining concept I will explain on next class.